Example number 6, we want to graph the three functions at the same time. The function f of x is the square root of x. You can see that the domain is starting from 0 and all positive number. So 0, 1, and 4. Square root of 0 is 0, square root of 1 is 1, square root of 4 is 2. Now I plug them in. Plug the 3 points on the graph. So I got 0, 0, 1, 1, and 4, 2. So this is the function f of x equal square root of x. For the function g of x, we also see that the domain is greater than or equal to 0. And I will make the 4 points like this also. 3 points like this also. The function g of x, you think about like a -1 times square root of x. So we have -1 times square root of 0, -1 times square root of 1, -1 times square root of 4. So we got the answer is 0, -1, and -2. I use the purple color to graph the function g of x. So we have 0, 0, 1, -1, and 4, -2. So g of x equal negative square root of x. The function h of x with the minus inside the square root. We see that the domain is negative x greater than or equal to 0. When we multiply both sides by -1, the inequality will switch. So we will make less than or equal to 0. So 0, -1, and -4. Square root of -0 is square root of 0, and the answer is 0. Square root of -1 is square root of 1 is 1, and square root of -4 square root of -4 is square root of 4 is 2. I use the green color to graph this. So 0, 0, -1, 1, and -4, 2. So after we finish 3 graphs, and let's compare the graph all together. You look at the function f of x and function g of x. You see the minus. Function g has the minus outside. So you look at this axis. This is the x-axis. And the x-axis look like the mirror. So the function f is like an image of the function g, or the function g is the image of the function f. So if we have the function is y equal to f of x, and if we have the f of minus outside of the function, in front of the function, then we have the x-axis is like a mirror. So we will say the graph reflect about the x-axis. And we have the function y equal f of -x. If the negative is inside, like the function h of x, the green color. So you look at this line, the yellow line. This is the y-axis. And the f of x and the h of x is like an image of each other, reflects about the y-axis.